Welcome to a video by Abron. This is UV cabinet or sterilization cabinet. Here we have the three lights. One is a visible light, another is a long UV light 365 nm, another is 254 nm short UV light. So there are two kinds of UV lights available in this. This is the on off switch. Let me show you inside how these are available. These are three tubes. Last one is the visible light. This one is the UV light, and a long volley. This is a short distance light. If I switch on this is now visible light. I can switch off this. Now you can see this UV light. This one is the UV light 254. If I switch on the third one, this one is a short one. These are three light. This is visible light. This is long distance. This is short distance. Let me show you how this is visible. You can see the fake currency notes, etc. You can see this currency notes. You can see this there on the currency notes. These are the fibers which are visible here. On the UV light, you can see the fibers. Here, see this. These fibers are visible. These are the lines which are not visible to the naked eye. Here also you can see these fibers are there. These are visible only when the UV light is there. These are the possible viewing and utility. This sterilizes the sample inside if you keep it for about 20, 30, 40 minutes depending on the sample, and close the chamber. You should not view it for a long time through this eye, but the window is there. So these are the three available lights in this. You can sterilize, you can do, and this is my Abron exports.com is our website. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Another is info@abronexport.com. WhatsApp number is 99922222049. Another is 941602001. Please share the videos, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.